Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another training video, and let me show you guys just a quick tutorial on how to use our trading system to find profitable trades in the markets. It's very easy guys, but all you need to know is what each indicator is for, and let's just go through that right quick. Okay, so we've actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 indicators on the street on the screen, right? So we've got this one right here on the left hand side. Right, that's the first indicator right there, and then we've got our second indicator on the right hand side, right, which is right here. Okay, got that. That's the second indicator, and then the third indicator right here is down there at the bottom. And then if you look at the price, you see these three purple lines right there. That's our fourth indicator. Okay, and then this red and green cloud, that's our fifth indicator. Okay, so let me just run through what each of these indicators are for so that you can understand how to use our trading system. So let's have a look at this one here on the left hand side. Okay, so basically this indicator here is there to show you the direction of the trend based off of the respective time frame. Okay, so if you look at this indicator on the left, okay, let's say for instance on the 15-minute chart, you can see that on the 15-minute chart we have a bullish trend, which means that the market is going up. Okay, so the purpose of that one is to show you which direction the market is going to go. So it can either show you that the market is bullish, which means that it's in an uptrend. It can show you that the market is bearish, which means that it's in a downtrend, or it can show you that the market is sideways. This means that the market is ranging. It's not in an uptrend or a downtrend. Okay, the next indicator is this one right here on the right hand side of the screen. This indicator here is the signal entry. Okay, so this indicator shows us which direction we're supposed to take. Like, what are we supposed to do? Are we supposed to buy or are we supposed to sell on the particular time frame? Okay, so if it says buy, it means that you must open up a buy trade. If it says sell, it means you must open up a sell trade. Okay, and then this indicator here at the bottom, this is our momentum indicator right there. Okay, so the purpose of this indicator is just to track how fast the market is moving. Okay, so if you've got a buy trade in an uptrend, okay, you want to see most of these indicators here telling us to buy. Okay, that further solidifies our buy setup. Okay, so that's the purpose of this indicator at the bottom, right? And then now if you look at the price, you've got these purple lines that are following the price. Okay, so these purple lines are going to be our support and our resistance. Okay, they're going to be our support and our resistance, and we use these levels, okay, to determine our take profit and our stop loss levels. Okay, so if for instance, let's say we're selling right there where I'm painting that yellow circle right there, and we're opening up a buy trade, right? For example, our take profit is going to be toward where the next purple line is, which is there at the top. Okay, and then let's just say for instance now we are selling here, and then now our take profit is going to be toward the next support level right there. Okay, so that's what that indicator is for. And then the fifth indicator, which I'll show you guys just now, is this cloud right here. You see this cloud right here, this one right there, that red one, which turns to green. Okay, this also indicates to you the trend of the market, right? So let's say for instance, if the price is moving underneath this cloud, okay, and it's red, it means that we are in a downtrend. Okay, and then if the price is above this cloud, it means that we are in an uptrend. All right, so that's what each of these indicators mean. So now in order for us to take a trade, all of these indicators need to be speaking together. So for buy trade, we need to have a bullish signal right there on the trend. We need to be in a bullish trend. We need to have a on our signal indicator telling us to buy. Our momentum indicator needs to be green, and then we need to be above this cloud right here. Okay, and then we'll use the support and resistance to get our take profit levels. Okay, so that's how we find or that's how we use our trading system to find possible trades in the markets. Okay, so anyways guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something. If you have any other questions, just send us a query on our emails or just send us a DM on Instagram. So anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys on the next one.